Oh my god, shoes.
Dude, do they have those in black?
Which ones? I don't know.
Find them in black.
Oh, look, they're shiny. Oh my god, Jennifer's industrial boots. Or somewhere. I'll be
They don't
laughing.
have those in black?
Huh?
How much are they?
Look, where's Jack? Oh, Jack. Being a hot cold.
How much are they?
I don't know. Hey, look, it's a monkey.
Damn.
It's on that one thing. Huh? Oh my god. Let's go to the mall.
Robbie, that's cute.
I know.
Maybe they got cute.
It's called
bags.
Gay Sense of Style. Just kidding.
It's not kidding me.
Ah, here, you hold it. It's taking a video.
I don't think it's gonna fit. I mean, your feet are kind of big.
They're not. You're mean.
Grab our basket.
You're not recording, right?
Oh. Oh. By the way, bitch.
Ow, I hit myself.
Aww.
Just pull back me in the face.
I'm sorry.
That hurts.
I don't have any good shoes. See, this is where Steven got mad at me because we came to Ross and I could not stop looking at the shoes.